Hello everyone. We're going to make a new game today. This robot is going to jump like this, or rotate, or even dance to move its hands and legs. And when I press on the arrows, it's going to move according to the direction of the arrow, like this. When I press on the green flag, the robot is going back to the center of the screen. Let's try it. Let's learn how to do it. As we know, this is the interface of the Scratch. We're going to choose the sprites we're going to use. Go to choose sprite and write robot and delete this cat. Take the sprite over here. Also, we're going to add 3 sprites for the jump, rotate, and dance. So go to choose sprite and press on bottom 2 and arrange it over here, put it over here, duplicate this one and another one, arrange them over here to be easy to use. Okay, go to the bottom 2 and go to the costumes and right in the middle of this sprite, jump, select outside and it will be selected. Just change its color and its font type. Let's make it smaller a little bit, make the sprite, or let's make the font itself bigger a little bit. Okay, let's go to the next sprite, right in the middle, rotate, select outside and take it in the middle of the sprite and make the font a little bit bigger. And go to the next sprite and right in the middle, dance, select outside, just take this and put it in the middle like this and make the font type a little bit bigger. Now we're going to create 4 another sprites for the others. So we're going to go to paint and draw a square like this. Make the square not colored, make it only has a border, or we can make the color of the sprite gray. Let's make it gray like this. Let's make it gray like this. Okay, like this. And let's make it smaller. Okay, like this. Now we're going to draw inside this square. Let's make it bigger. Okay, zoom in. Inside this square we're going to draw a triangle. Okay, okay, select the triangle to make it bigger. Oh, keep it smaller like this, and let's make the square itself also smaller. Okay, like this. Okay, let's color the triangle inside. Let's put the color, let's make it black. Okay, and take this sprite over here in the corner. Let's go to this duplicated and duplicate it one more time and one more time. This is 4 sprites. Go to the second one and rotate it. Sorry, not like this. From here, just press over here and rotate it. And go to this one and just go here and rotate it. But let's change its place like this. Okay, and then go to this one and flip it. So let's arrange them over here like this. Yes, let's put them up here to put the down arrow also next to them. Okay. Okay, here our robot is ready for the code. Okay, let's go to the robot over here and press on code. I need when the green flag clicked the robot to go to X0, Y0 to make it. When it begins, it go to the center of the screen like this. Now I want when I press on jump the robot to move up and go back to its place. So in events, when I receive a new message 1, and let's write in message 1 jump and then okay. When I receive jump, change Y because up and down is Y axis, so change Y by 10, but let's make it 50 and wait 1 second. It's over here. Wait 1 second, but let's make this 0.2 for 0.2 seconds, and then again change Y by negative 50. Why negative? Because up is positive Y, down is negative Y. That's why we're writing this number with the negative. Okay, so when I press on the jump after we finish the code, the robot is going to move up here and then go back to its place. Now let's go to rotate. I want when I press on the rotate button over here, the robot to change its direction and keep changing its direction until it reach its normal place as you can see it now. So when I receive message 1 and make a new message with a rotate, I did it before, so I'm going to press on rotate, but you can create a new message. Turn 15 degrees and make it 90 and wait 0.1 second and then turn it again to be 90 degrees and wait 0.1 second, and this one 0.1 second, and turn again 90 degrees and wait 0.1 seconds, and then for the last time turn 90 degrees and wait for 1 seconds and make it 0.1 seconds. Okay, let's go to the dance action. When I receive message 1 and make a new message, write dance. I wrote it before, that's why I have it over here. So press on dance. Repeat. I wanted to repeat it for 10 times. To switch to the next costume and then switch again to costume robot Reto A. Let's check the costumes of the robot. We have here different costumes of the robot, but we're using this one only. So let's delete this costume and this one also, and duplicate this one. Duplicate it one more time. Okay, so let's change in the second one. Let's change the direction of its hand to make it over here, and this one also to change its place. To change its place and put it over here. Okay, and change the direction of these two legs and the direction also of this one to put it here. Okay, and then in this third costume, just change the direction of the hand to make it up like this. This one to take it up like this. Okay, and this leg to take it back, and this leg also to take it to the back. I'm sorry. Okay, so now we're having 3 costumes of the same robot. This one the normal one, this one second one, and this one is the third one. Let's make this rotate a little bit like this. Okay, now we changed the costume of the robot. Now let's go to the code of the jump. So I'm going to go to the jump and press when this sprite clicked broadcast jump, but when this sprite clicked broadcast rotate, and when this sprite clicked broadcast dance. So let's try it. Okay, that's great. Now let's go to the code of the arrows. We're having here 4 arrows, up, down, right, and left. So I'm going to take when I receive message 1 and make a new message that is called up. So change Y by 10 and duplicate this one, put it here to make it a new message, and write down as a new message, and then OK. And down is -10. After that, let's make the right and left. When I receive a new message, right, change X by 10 and duplicate this one to put it here and make a new message and make it left, and then OK, and change X by -10. Let's go to the arrows. I'm going to make the up first. When this sprite broadcast up exactly, and when this sprite clicked broadcast down, when this sprite clicked broadcast right, and when this sprite clicked broadcast left. Now when I press on the up arrow, it's going to move up, and down it's going to move down, left it's going to move left, and right it's going to move right. And let's press on the green flag, it's going to go to the center of the screen. Press on jump, it's jumping, and press on rotate, it's rotating, and press on dance, it's dancing. But let's make the dance over here a little bit slower, so we can wait for 1 second over here, but let's make it 0.2 for example. Let's try it. Okay, and we can make it 0.1 to make it, yes, this is much better. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next video.